Hello and welcome to the 2021 convention and to my presentation of how to generate repeat clients, which isn't as difficult as some people may seem to think it is. You'll have clients come back and see you time and time again, even after the initial issue that they came to you for has been resolved. One, because they love going to the beach. Two, because it feels so good. And three, because they have other issues that come forward that they'd like to fine tune also. So this session talks about how to generate repeat clients so that they'll come back every 6 weeks or so like they do to their chiropractor. So here we go.